Want longer, healthier hair fast. No fake magic and no empty promises. Just real tips that actually work. First, your scalp is the root of everything. A clean, healthy scalp grows healthy hair. Exfoliate weekly and remove buildup. Use real growth oils like clove oil, castor oil, and peppermint oil. And don't just apply the oil. Massage your scalp 3 to 4 times a week. More blood flow means more hair growth. Dry hair breaks, hydrated hair grows. Use a water-based leave-in or a simple spray bottle every day. Deep condition your hair weekly. Soft hair does not break easily. Choose deep conditioners that have slip to reduce breakage. Your hair needs fuel, eat enough protein, vitamins, and minerals. And drink at least 1 to 2 liters of water a day. Trim your ends every 8 to 12 weeks. A small trim prevents major breakage and helps you retain more length. Protect your hair at night. Sleep with a satin bonnet or on a satin pillowcase. Cotton absorbs moisture, but satin keeps your moisture in. Avoid tight hairstyles. Stop stressing your edges. Choose lighter and more gentle hairstyles like knotless braids. Keep your scalp clean. Shampoo your scalp every 1 to 2 weeks. A clogged scalp cannot grow hair properly. Handle your hair less low. Manipulation helps your hair stay strong. Protective styles work best when installed gently. And please stop product hopping. Stick to a routine for at least 4 to 8 weeks so your hair can respond. Hair grows about ½ an inch per month. Your real job is to protect what grows. Do these consistently, and you will see real healthy growth. Follow for more hair care and braid tips.